All right, let's say I want to use GDB, and while using GDB, basically to see the internals of the compiled binary or the source code, what is playing underneath the source code with the CPU register. So there is a way you can see the source code uh, as well as the underlying assembly while using GDB. Okay, the simplest possible way to do that. Let me go to my. I believe I'm zoomed in. Okay, so now, say for instance, the -g command is required to get the debug information inside the compiled binary. Otherwise, it doesn't have. You cannot run GDB with the executable which doesn't have a debug information. So that's why the -g flag is there. So I have a ordinary C file, and let me show you the C file first. What is going on? Ah. So this is the this is the ordinary C file which I'm going to compile with the -g debug flag with GCC to show you the effect of it. GCC-g, then kvar, and then the output will be kdebug, just arbitrarily given a output executable name. Okay, so it has been created. um, okay, now you can see, so I have alias grep gdb. You see I have already has an alias with the TUI open and in quiet mode with the statistics. Okay, flag attached with it. You can see clearly from the alias. Okay, so the moment I run GDB and the executable I have created, right, ban, it opened with the source file on top, and the bottom is the GDB prompt. Okay, to see the assembly side with this source file, to get a better understanding how the code are doing underneath the the actually exploiting the CPU register, you have to, that's layout, you have to write ASM, which is a short version of assembly. So if you do, now you can see now you see both the pins having and assembly as well as the source code. So from now onwards, if whatever you do on the GDB prompt on the bottom pane, it will get reflected on both the cases, on assembly as well as on the source. Okay, say for instance, if I wanted to uh, arbitrarily write a breakpoint at line number 9, I simply do this. Now you can promptly see up, that B plus is coming attached with the on the top pin. There is a B plus. That means there is a breakpoint set from the bottom pin, that it is getting selected, right? it is showing. Now if you do, you see the assembly code, it is also marked with the breakpoint, okay, which is having a move command. So this is a little example I'm giving you to write, to use assembly code with your source code inside GDB in a precise manner, so you know what is going where. This could be a very good way to learning the stuff. I'm just giving you a small example. You could write a number of things what GDB offers, but you could easily uh, get this stuff by doing this. Okay, so I hope it will be useful if you want to know the internal of a source. Okay.